Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make an external drive. You're going to need this magical cable right here. It's pretty easy. I don't know the correct name for this, but I call it hard drive to USB cable. I'll leave it in the description so you guys can find it. This is the maker of this one. This has worked fine for me. I've had it for years, but I thought I'd show you guys. Also, it just plugs easy. Like this. Plug and play. And I usually don't have to set up anything with these. It works with SSDs. And mechanical oil drives. This is the one for our laptop. The only one I didn't work for is this drive. Didn't work for this drive. It wants more power. The thing it has more power, but it didn't come with it, so I had to buy a separate one. And the separate one looks like this. Separate one looks like this. It has the same power and SATA cable, but it has an extra power source right here. And then the normal USB. This one plugs in the same way. Boom. Like that, and then you're ready to go. You don't have to set up anything. This actually, the other day I dropped water on my laptop. I fried the board, but the drive was still alive. It was still good, so I was able to retrieve data off of that with that cable, and it saved me some time and some money if I were to get it from somewhere else. So yeah, I thought it's pretty cool how it works. There's plug and play. You don't have to set up anything. So yeah, I hope this video was kind of helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.